Hey guys, in this video I will be telling you guys 5 different cars on Facebook Marketplace, from the G37 to Mitsubishi 3000 GT to etc. And I will also be telling you guys the details from the offers that I see and etc. Alright, oh I gotta charge my phone. Okay. Alright, so first car, this is a pretty unknown car. A lot of people don't know about this. I mean, some people might, but I just heard about this car like 2 days ago. It's a Dodge Stealth. This car right here. These cars on Facebook Marketplace range from $2,000 to $9,500, and it is an RT. These cars are manual and automatic. You'll rarely find an automatic on Facebook Marketplace. Most of these cars have above 100,000 miles, so if you're okay with that, then you should definitely go for a car like this. These cars are looking nice. I will pull up some pictures like right here of more pictures of them, like the interior, exterior, all that, and even the engine. The engine looks amazing. Now, from what I heard about this car, it is like related to the Mitsubishi 3000 GT, and this car was discontinued in the 1900s. But at this time, these cars were like cool as fuck. Like it's like cool looking. Customize this car and you gonna have all the girls, man. The fuel type, it says 17 miles per gallon on the city, 22 highway, and 19 mpg. But yeah, these cars do have cool colors on them. You can easily customize it. Cool looking car, and you'll probably like it, to be honest. Alright, so second car, the Infiniti G37, this car right here. This car is like really cool, I'm not gonna lie. Most of the Facebook Marketplace people do know this car because it's probably the most sold car with like a high powered, it's probably like the most known high powered car on the Facebook Marketplace stuff. And a bunch of them have like low miles. Like this one's like, I mean, this one's not really, it's not low, but this car does have 76,000 miles on it. Most of these people do put mods on them. That's the good part about Facebook Marketplace, is that people mod the car and then sell them. I mean, some people do. Oh, most of them are automatic, by the way. And this car that I'm looking at is a V6, 3.7 liter V6 with 325 to 348 horsepower. This car, for the price, is honestly really cool. This is a 2013 reference, by the way. Most of these cars that you'll find on Facebook Marketplace is 2006 to 2013. This car was discontinued in 2013, so you won't find any like above 2013 if you guys were interested. Fun fact a little bit, the G37 was also known as the Nissan Skyline from 2002 to 2016. I don't know how that makes sense, but I guess like power related, even though they look nothing alike. But that was just a fun fact on the side. Now, on this part, everyone's favorite on Facebook Marketplace, because it gets the most sells and buys and all that, was the older Mustangs, like from 1998 to 2015. You can get like those cars from under 10k, I think. I'm not sure about the 2013 to 2015, but these cars are like dirt cheap on Facebook Marketplace with like good offers, low mileage, all that. I mean, the 1998 to 2005, probably most of them have like more mileage, but anyway, this is what the earlier Mustangs look like. Right now, I'm looking at, okay, this cannot be real. A 2004 Mustang for 1.2k, convertible with 37 miles on it. Yeah, that's a lot. Oh, I think this is for offers. It also has damages and all that. Just a V6. Oh yeah, most of the older models have like V6s or V8. I'm not really sure, but that's what I saw. A 2010 Ford Mustang Coupe TD, driven 113,000 miles. It's an automatic. 6.7k. Customize it, it'll look way cooler. Whoa, I don't know if this is real, but a V6 2007 Ford Mustang Deluxe for 3.8k. V6, driven 167,000 miles, and it's an automatic, black color. 2007, 3.8k. These prices are, whoa, I can actually buy these too. This is crazy. These cars range from like 2k to like 10k on Facebook Marketplace, from what it says like right here. Driven 167,000 miles, 2007 Ford Mustang for 3.8k. V6 only has 2 owners, including her, and new parts. So 1999 Ford Mustang Coupe TD, customized, driven 300 miles, brand new engine, new intake, new paint job, brand new tires, new brakes, touchscreen screen, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth fuel injectors, clean title papers of the new engine. So new engine on that. And last one's a 2005 Ford Mustang, V6 oil changed and all that, 2.7k. 200,000 miles on that thing. Automatic, yeah, that ain't gonna last you long, to be honest. Well, that is it with the Mustang. Third car is the Pontiac Firebird. Most of you guys probably haven't heard of this, but it's a really cool car. I probably will be buying it. I saw one in real life. I'm not even joking. I saw one in real life at CVS. And wow, I was actually shocked. That thing was cool as hell. If I was a girl, I would definitely locate that guy. It is a Trans Am hatchback. 2D, driven 66,000 miles on it. Clean title. Most of these cars will be modded and made to look cool as hell. This one's $3.6 thousand. 1986 Firebird Trans Am, runs great, transmission to motor great condition, clean title, no issues, 126,000 miles, great condition, all that. This one's $5,000, 2001 Pontiac Firebird, new paint job, T-tops, 160,000 miles on it. 2002 Pontiac Firebird for 200, bro. 2002 Pontiac Firebird Coupe TD, $2,000. A V6, last year production, 147,000 miles with one owner. May need a battery, to be honest, but these cars back then were really popular, so you might find like a lot in your area. Alright, next car is the Mazda RX8. This one's a 2006 Mazda, but it's a coupe 4D, 4 doors. It's $5.9 thousand. Most of these, the typical price on Marketplace is 2.5K to 7K. These cars were popular back then, so you will find a lot on your area. Well, this car is interesting. What the hell? Like, the back door opens like a Rolls Royce. It got like the Rolls Royce doors. It's weird as hell. But yeah, Mazda RX8, 5.9K. This car has a V8. No accidents. 68,000 miles. It's an automatic. Exterior color is red. Interior is gray. But yeah, man, Facebook Marketplace cars, they're either like really good offers or like messed up cars. So make sure you know what you're getting. Oh yeah, these cars are like really easy to mod. Like, you can make them look cool as hell easily, man. You just gotta have good taste, to be honest. But yeah, that's it for the Mazda RX-8. But yeah, man, that is it for the video. I just wanted to film like a quick video because I haven't posted in like 2 days. But yeah, if you did enjoy, good night, good morning, good afternoon. That is it for the video. But goodbye, I love you all.